Good morning, my dear students. So today's class I will start from the exercise 18.3 from the question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is a garden in the form of a right angle triangle has an area 128 square meter. If the two sides comprising the right angles are equal, what could be the length of these sides? Okay. That means the garden is in the form of a right angle triangle, and it is given that the two sides forming that right angles are equal in length. Again, area is also given to us. We have to find the length of that two equal sides. Clear? So in this case, we consider this ABC. Let ABC be a right angle triangle. That means that the garden is the form of a right angle triangle ABC, where that B angle is 90 degree. That means B angle is a right angle, and it is given that the two sides forming that two right angles, comprising the two right angles, are uh, are equal in length. That means AB and BC both form that right angle B, and is given that the two sides are equal in length. So let us just consider that the side of AB is also x and side of BC is also x, and the area is given in the form of square meter. That means AB is x meter, BC is we taken x meter. So let ABC be a garden which is of the of a right angle triangle shaped where angle B is 90 degree. Given two sides comprising right angles are equal. Okay, so therefore let AB is equal to BC is equal x meter. Okay, clear? Now all of you know that in case of an not in case of a in case of a triangle, actually in case of a triangle, the area of a triangle is what, half into base into height. And in this case, in case of right angle triangle, it is very easy to find the area, because if you take this one is height, then automatically it becomes base. If one consider it is height, then it will be base. Okay, if you just think that triangle like this, then it will be height and it will be base. That means just both the same sides will be used. Okay, so let this one. So according to question, area of the garden is what, 128 meter square. All of you know that area of a triangle is half into base into height, which is 128. So half into, you just write base, which is also x, BC, and AB is also x. Okay, in this case you can write one step here, half into, in case of base you just write BC, and in case of height you can write AB. Well, you can add this step also, 128. So half into x become x square, and 2 is on the denominator, so x square by 2 is equal to 128. So x square 2 goes to that side, 128 into 2, so x square equal to 256. Okay, so I am again repeating this one because the square root, the finding the square root you will get in class 8. In class 7 this type of question just solve like this. So x square means what, x into x, that means multiplication of same multiplication of two equal numbers becomes square. Again 256 is what, 16 into 16, that means you can consider x is 16. Okay, x square means what, x into x. In class 8 you can find the square. How can you find the square root? You will learn in class 8. Okay, in class 7 you just remember this type of question. X square equal to what, 256. You just take left hand side and right hand side equal. X square means what, x into x. So that means same two numbers are multiplied, so that 256 you just break in terms of two equal number of multiplication, 16 into 16. That means therefore x equal to 16 you can write. So the length of the, so x equals 16, that means AB is 16, BC is also 16. So therefore the guardian of this equals, the length of these equal sides are 16 meter and 16 meter.